So the next presentation is Professor Mannens. We are going to start in a minute.
Right, good afternoon. I'm Erik Mannens from iMinds. All right, and I will start about telling who or what iMinds is, give something on semantics, and then talk about a very innovative project we do at our lab, and with some projects we do. So iMinds, for those who don't know that, it's a virtual organization in Flanders that tries to bridge the gap of R&D at industry with R&D at university level. It consists of about 20 spearpoint labs of the 5 different universities, and I'm from Ghent University in that way. Even that, 15 seconds. All right. Since 2004, we've been doing a lot of projects with a lot of partners. You can see the numbers there. My own team it's a team of 50 researchers, and about more than half is doing research on semantics. So back in 2000, Tim Berners-Lee, the website and the artificial intelligence part of Jim Handler envisioned the semantic web. There's already, or at that time already, so much information out there on the web that we needed that machines could interpret everything that was out there, and not only humans. So there's a complete technology stack there, developed by the standardization company W3C, and that is what my team adhered to it in the first place. Back in 2008, it got very big via the linked open data paradigm. So in the middle, you see a huge data sets of Wikipedia and DBpedia, and then the small with the rectangle, that's my own data set of Multimedia Lab. So I envisioned that we do not only need semantics, but also artificial intelligence to tackle the big data problem. So we also need, indeed, machine learning and deep learning. So that's what I want to bridge with my team as well. Now, one thing we did with our team is the linked data fragments paradigm. Within semantics, as you will see, the average downtime of the semantic databases, the triple stores, is about 1.5 days a month, which is really not feasible and not usable during everyday life if you really want to have applications that run on top of it. So most of the time, I did not do that. All right. Most of the time, well, okay. You could have on one end you could have a data dump, and then you can do anything, or you can have this triple store which is not up all the time. So we came up with a solution where you have linked data fragments characterized by these 3 characteristics. Namely, you can have the data, you have the metadata on top, and then you have, of course, things where you can go from one data set to another. So with linked data fragments, we can really have the whole spectrum between a data dump and a Sparkle query, and we can have live data with high availability and a low server cost. It's all open source. Open sourced. You can find it at linkeddatafragments.org. We have our server is not been down since we opened it up, so we host the DBpedia now, and it's only been down for maintenance. It's 5 minutes in 3 months. Now the next steps of semantics together with AI is that we're trying to come up with a Sparkle over Hadoop. 15 seconds, Jesus. All right, we're also doing a lot of standardization activities. So this is what my lab made big, in fact. And the current big data projects we're running at Multimedia Lab are the following, and primarily we're doing fancy IoT analytics stuff with Tyson Group. user profiling with NG Data and with OntoForce and Harvard. We're doing very nice stuff on distributed Sparkle. Okay, my last 15 seconds. If you have any questions, you can just email me or anything.
Excellent.
Hey, I just found out what Ignite meant today after I uploaded the slide.
Most aggressive part of the presentation, I know.